you know that 71% of new moms feel less attractive and 50% of them feel that their breasts have changed?
Meet Ilaria. She's a mom of 2 beautiful kids. Sometimes she looks at the mirror and there's only one wish she shares with herself. She'd like to have her body back, just as before her pregnancies. And let's introduce you to Veronica. She's a student and works on the weekends. She's 24. She thinks her breasts are too small.
I've been working in the cosmetic and medical fields for many years, and I found out that there was a big gap between plastic surgery, that is really invasive, and really expensive cream lotions. Only in the United States, 300,000 women every year look for breast augmentation and to lift their breast. This was a really big result I found, and that's when I started thinking what I can do for those women around the world. And that's when my Firm Up serum was born. This is made of hyaluronic acid with 2 different molecular weights and natural components. The only problem now was to find something to empower and vehiculate the serum. That's when I invented my lift firming instrument.
This simple and light device facilitates the penetration of the active ingredients contained in the serum. Let's see how it works. Intimate firming works through galvanic currents, combining the action of positive and negative ions, infrared rays, and micromassage. It's a unique combination of hyaluronic acid, amino acids, vitamins, octapeptide 8, rich phytoextract from leaves of blackberry, and other natural components.
Now, intimate firming is a reality for all of you out there. It helps moisturizes the skin, it smooths wrinkles, it improves firmness and elasticity of your breast, it reduces stretch marks, and of course, breast looks bigger and filled out. A great synergy between great cosmetics and innovative technology.
My name is Silvia and I'm a mom and I work full-time. It was very pleasant to use, painless, easy, and most of all fast. It takes 10 minutes. The massage is nice and it was just lovely to use.
Hi, I'm 28 and I study social service. When I first heard about intimate firming, I was skeptic, but after I tried, wow, it's amazing.
I'm Laura, I'm 40, I'm a full-time mom. I tried so many creams and lotions after my first pregnancy that always let me down.
I look in the mirror now and I think that's the way I'm supposed to look. I have more confidence now.
Now I feel complete as a woman and I don't know how to do without it.
My main breast concern, well, I never stopped with this. I don't know how to explain it, but every mom knows what I'm talking about.
How do you use it? You just need 3 simple gestures. Press the round central key of the device, select the intensity of the micromassage from 1 to 3. Apply the serum on the breast. Start massage gently your breast with circular movements. That is so easy and fast. Here is Ilaria going away for the weekend. She started using Intimate Firming and she always brings it with her. Ilaria looks in the mirror and finally loves her breasts. And look at Veronica. She's beautiful and she likes clothes fitting her breasts. She's not embarrassed anymore.
Intimate firming fill the gap and give back confidence to women. It represents a non-invasive, absolutely painless and safe alternative to plastic surgery. It's a real professional treatment for domestic use. As a doctor, I would recommend it to all women who feel not comfortable with their breast and can have back confidence in themselves and in their body.
Intimate Firming. Take care of your beauty and take back your confidence. Bring it always with you.
I believe that innovative cosmetic can bring happier women. That is why I'm so proud to bring you Intimate Firming. But now we need your support to start mass distribution of our product and to start searching and developing new amazing products for all of you. I just want to make women feel beautiful, confident, and amazing as they deserve to feel.
Want to wear your favorite dress tonight, but it has a stain? Have you had your delicates hopelessly spoilt by washing machine? Going on a trip but don't want to lug around heavy bags full of clothes? You need an easy way to quickly and carefully wash that favorite dress, woolen sweater, or stinky socks on the go wherever you are. Introducing Nivel, the ultra-portable washing device designed to change the way people do laundry. Nivel is a portable washer that turns any container into your own washing machine. Just drop your dirty clothes, hats, socks, and delicates into any container. Add water, insert a Nivel detergent tablet into the washer, plug, and wash. Wait about 30 minutes and your clothes will be totally clean and fresh. Your basin, bucket, dry bag, sink, anything waterproof can be a washing machine. Bring it anywhere you want. Simply remove worries of damaging your favorite clothes or wasting money on laundry on a trip. It's as easy as this. Powerful waves of up to 20 centimeter penetration generated by the built-in vibrator dissolve the detergent tablet in 3 minutes. Based on pure plant concentration, the detergent tablet is able to clean, disinfect, and sterilize. Over 1,000 experiments helped us finalize the optimum hand wash rubbing amplitude. High-pressure bubbles travel through the water, creating high-pressure inflows that remove dirt.
I took Nivel with me when I went backpacking in Europe last month. I was traveling for 3 weeks and only had to bring 3 pairs of clothes with me.
I use Nivel for washing all my delicates. I was surprised at how gentle it was. It didn't damage anything at all.
I tried out Nivel with my sweaty workout clothes and they came out fresh smelling and clean in almost no time. And the best part, from now on, I can wear my favorite gym outfit every day.
And now we're ready to let everyone know. Support us on Indiegogo to bring Nivel into your lives.
My name is John. I want to have control and secure access to my home and business from anywhere in the world. That's when I found Sherlock. Sherlock Home Control is a simple, secure, real-time video and control system for your home and business. Sherlock Home Control consists of a station that you connect it to your wireless network and a Sherlock unit that needs to be placed in rooms you like to control. The Sherlock unit is a simple and innovative device with a camera for real-time video and multiple sensors that track everything from motion, temperature, humidity, sound, and activity. To the Sherlock station, you can add any other wireless device like smoke detectors, doorbell, power plugs, thermostat, and door and window contacts. Sherlock Home Control is controlled from your iOS or Android device with the Sherlock app. You will immediately receive and view alerts when Sherlock Home Control senses anything extraordinary. Sherlock Home Control is an affordable way to keep your family, business, and belongings safe.
We've all been there. The language barriers, where things get lost in translation. Those tangled cables, the flexibility, poor audio quality. Introducing Click, the smartest truly wireless earbuds with live voice translation. The ability to translate different languages, with the translation delivered to the earbuds in real time. Language will no longer stand in the way of efficient interaction.
Pouvez-vous m'entendre avec vos écouteurs?
Can you hear me with your earphones?
Yeah, it's amazing.
C'est incroyable.
Hear the notifications that are important to you.
Remember to pick up Charlotte.
When synced with your smartphone, Click will deliver notifications like text messages and incoming calls directly to your ears.
Michael is calling.
The case also comes with a single USB output, so you can charge your smartphone or tablet simultaneously. It's designed to be highly ergonomic, so you won't experience that telltale soreness that often comes after a day of wearing uncomfortable earbuds. The Click delivers a crystal clear audio quality with noise cancellation.
To hear back what we've recorded live, you're getting the studio sound through your ears. It's quite incredible.
Explore the world with no limit. Click, a revolution for your ears.